Hi guys, we have our market update here for May in the Phoenix area. So we've got a couple of good signs that we've seen on the strongest buyers markets are weakening just a touch for buyers, while the rest of the market is kind of coming back down in favor of buyers. So the market is kind of going like this a little bit. So Queen Creek, Buckeye, Maricopa actually got a little bit stronger in their market, not a lot, but a little, and we'll take it. And then the top of the market, which is like Chandler and Laveen Avondale, those actually came down a little bit. So we're watching what's kind of going on. Rates have been very steady in the high sixes around here locally as far as a conventional loan goes. There are different ways to get that down. So keep in mind, we've got the rate buy downs. We have FHA and VA loans that are locking at lower interest rates than the high sevens. They're in like the low to mid sixes. So there's some of that stuff that we've seen going on, and we have seen a slight resurgence in showings over the last week. So hopefully that bodes well for the rest of the market, and those can start turning into contracts. So that's kind of what we're watching. We're waiting on inflation reports still. We're waiting on interest rates still. We're waiting on some of these national economic indicators to start turning our market into what we were expecting over the last year or so. So I'll keep you updated as we hear anything, but more of the same right now. So it's just kind of status quo. Our buyer demand has dropped slightly, and our listings still keep going up. However, the speed of the new inventory to the market has slowed a little bit. So we have seen some of the luxury market pull out as they normally do for summer. And then the rest of it is just kind of keeping on and keeping on. So if you have any questions about specific cities or communities, things like that, it's very, very different depending on which city, which side of town, and which price point that you're going in. So any direct questions, we are happy to answer. 480-518-9907, and have a great rest of your day.